What's up everyone, Chantel from FamilySeeksFreedom. I'm here today to show you all my attempt at making some dishwasher tablets because I promised I would share with you every recipe I tried to make this year. I didn't honestly intend to run out of any luxury items this early in the year, but we have, so let's give it a go. Thanks for watching everyone. If you liked my recipe today, please like our video, and if you'd like to join the Freedom family, follow us at FamilySeeksFreedom on YouTube, Instagram and WordPress.